We are on a place called Grandma's Creek. This is a creek which is in a winter and springtime. Right now snow is melting. A lot of the snow is melting, and this is what happened when the snow coming through the mountain. Here I am with my friend Bosko. He's right there. He's taking a picture of the creek. Today we have a lot of fun. We just end up our overnight and we're going home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us a couple likes. Thank you.